Hello guys, welcome to Gadget and Trust. Today we are going to unbox a Bluetooth speaker, which is named Aigo T98. Let's go and check what are given in the box. After opening the box, we can see a hanger is given for the speaker. Let's take out the speaker, which is being seen in the box. Here is our main focus, our beloved Aigo T98 speaker, which is covered with a polythene. You guys can see that both sides of the speaker are black and middle of the speaker is made ash. This design has made the outlook of the speaker gorgeous. Here is a user manual. With this, you will be able to know about the speaker, and this will help you to use it perfectly. After the user manual, one charging cable has been given to charge the speaker. No adapter has been given. So you have to use your mobile charging adapter, or you have to buy new one. We can see a power button. If we press it and hold, it will be started. Let's switch on the speaker to play music with it.
Bluetooth mode.
The speaker is switched on. It's time to connect with phone. Here I am going to connect the speaker. I have switched on the Bluetooth and clicked on the Aigo T98 name. It's connected. Here we go. Let's test the sound. You can see some buttons like power button, pause, next and previous buttons. Besides, there is a button to receive and cut incoming calls. Let's play back the music. Let's check the call function. First of all, I am calling to check, is it possible to receive and cut calls? You can see that my phone is ringing. So let's reset. We need press the buttons to receive calls. You can see that the call has been received. After the second click, the call has been cut. So finally, we have completed the testing. Hope you like the video. To motivate us, please like the video, give a comment, and share with your friends.